All right, finding the equation of a parallel line through a given point. This is kind of a fun one. We're gonna use just some simple algebra to solve it. So let's say I was given the equation y equals 4x minus 1. Y equals 4x minus 1, and I wanna find the equation for a line parallel to this one, parallel to it, that goes through the point, oh gosh, let's say 5, 2. There we go. So I want the line that goes through this point parallel to this line. Well, what does parallel mean? Parallel means that they have the same slope. So my first thing I want to do is I'm going to go ahead and steal the slope out of this problem. So m equals 4, and we know parallel lines have the same slope. Since parallel lines have the same slope, my new equation is going to have the same slope. So all I need to do to find the rest of my new equation is I'm going to solve for the y-intercept of the new one. So I have y equals mx plus b. I'm going to put my 4 in for the m. So y equals mx plus b. So again, same slope. So here's my 4. Now what about this y and this x? Well, here's the thing. The y and the x come from the new point that we're trying to have this new line run through. So 5, 2 is xy. So my y is a 2. My y is a 2. My x is a 5. And I'm going to go ahead and solve for b. And so 2 equals 20 plus b minus 20 minus 20. You get b equals a negative 18. Now all I have to do is put it together. For this new line, I know m equals 4, and I know b equals a negative 18. That's all that's needed to make the equation of the new line. So I have y equals 4x minus 18. And that is the equation for the line parallel to this line that runs through the point 5, 2. Same slope, parallel lines, but this one crossed the y-intercept at negative 1, and if it runs through 5, 2, we had to solve for b to find out that it crossed at negative 18.